Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to speak on more of the Denim Blue collection from Louis Vuitton. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have it out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Hey besties, so when it comes to the denim collection, you guys know I love talking about the denim handbag collection that is coming out January the 1st. I am super excited. What a great way to bring in the new year. I am going to let you guys know I am purchasing the denim key pouch. If I don't walk away with anything from that denim line, it is going to most definitely be that key pouch. I already let my CA know. So guys, please put that little bug in your CA's ear. December 1st, pre-orders will open. If you are a VIC, I'm pretty sure it's going to open up earlier for us. So again, make sure you let your CA know, guys. Walk into the LV boutique. I'm not sure what else you can do at this point to secure it. I know for sure it is not going to make it to the website to where it's going to say add to cart. It's going to start off notify me status. I'm telling you guys now, because this is honestly the cheapest SLG I believe LV is going to come out with as far as the Denim Blue collection. So again, heads up. Try to let your CAs know ASAP that you are interested in the Denim Blue key pouch that's coming out January the 1st. So catch that pre-order, put your money down, and secure your spot. Okay, so we are going to talk about two items that are a little cheaper, okay, if you are wanting to purchase from the denim collection that is coming out soon. The first one is the Fairfax. This is a crossbody. This is going to be a very small crossbody. I did my research. This honestly was released some years back and it was called the camera bag, and that's exactly what it looks like. Anything denim, guys, I am going to say is absolutely cute. You guys can feel the way you want to feel, but like I said, I am a denim lover. I love everything about it. It's just tiny, and I am not going to spend over $1,200 for any small mini crossbody handbag moving forward. The petite sac plaque was the smallest that I'm actually going as far as paying over $1,200. I said I'm not doing it again, but this is absolutely adorable. It does come with a vachetta strap. As you can see, it is detachable and also adjustable. This is going to be small. This is going to be mini. I'm sitting up here trying to think to see if an iPhone 14 Pro Max will fit inside, but the way it looks as far as the lengthwise, I'm not thinking that my iPhone 14 Pro Max will fit in. Probably my iPhone 14 Pro, but not the Pro Max. Basically just looking from the back. So you guys tell me what you think. Again, you can find this in the vintage market. I just simply Googled and it came straight up. Of course, guys, it's going to be used. The vachetta has been, you know, worn out. The patina has set in. We should be able to substitute the strap, okay? And even if you do not have a vachetta strap in your collection, guys, you can easily go on Amazon. You can purchase one, guys. And I'm trying to see how this will honestly look with a monogram strap. You guys know I love to mix and match things. So again, this is going to be under $2,000, but with tax it's going to be a little bit over $2,000. So we have to keep that in mind. I have to constantly remind you guys. So let's just say we are at the $2,000 mark, but just with a little bit of tax, okay? Let's say it's at the $2,200 mark, but again, we're not at that $3,000, $4,000 mark like we are for the other handbags, okay? So the next one is called the Heels. This is very cute as well. It's a hobo style handbag. I love this. I absolutely love this. But again, guys, there's no other type of strap for us to convert this, and I do not see any D-rings for us to convert this into a crossbody. So this is going to be just a tote handbag, and it is going to be small as well. So both of these items are going to be small. Please don't think that you are going to fit a lot in these items. When I say small, guys, they are going to be very small. And this is just coming from what my CA told me. I'm just trying to repeat everything that she told me and basically telling me what I need to pass on, because I want a piece of the collection. I want to be involved. I want something. But again, like she told me, and I love that I do have one of my CAs that's very honest with me, it's not going to be worth it. These pieces, these two pieces that I am showing you now, they are small, okay? But if you are into mini handbags, smaller handbags, this is perfect for you, okay? And it's going to be reasonable. But just think about your cell phones, your mini pochette, and all of those things, the daily essentials that you carry every day. Both of these are around the $2,000 mark, so please be prepared. December 1st, get that pre-order in, send a screenshot to your CA, or guys, walk into the boutiques, call client services, get that pre-order in, just be ready to pay when it's time, okay? Now, I want to speak on this. A lot of you guys sent this to my DM and you were like, Marquita, this is horrible. Tell me that you think this is horrible. It is. The next handbag is the LV Nano Speedy. LV, why did you put this big pocket on this little mini handbag? Why? You could at least went to a Speedy 20. But in my eyes, a Speedy 25 bandolier would have been perfect with this pocket on the outside. I'm not against the pocket. I'm just against the pocket, the outside pocket compartment on the Nano Speedy. That is a very tiny handbag. It's a very tiny crossbody. You added the pocket so you can go up on the price, and I just really don't understand why. Product code number M82950. Again, this is a Nano Speedy. Guys, I am just in love with denim. I keep looking at it like, oh my God, Marquita, you don't need it, you don't need it. But then again, if you are a Nano Speedy collector, if you love collecting small handbags, if you love collecting small crossbody handbags, this is going to be the handbag for you. The strap, of course, is vachetta, is detachable, and also adjustable. So let me know if this is something that you'll be interested in, because I honestly believe that the pocket takes from the handbag. It's not adding to the handbag. Again, I feel like this should have been a Speedy 25 bandolier with an outside pocket. And I am just hoping and praying, even though I know it's not going to be true or come true. I want a treated vachetta strap. I want a treated vachetta tote handle with this denim. It would look absolutely gorgeous, guys. I'm telling you now, the denim with the darker vachetta, just imagine it. It'll blow your mind. Okay? Again, January the 1st. I want to speak on this because this is honestly my favorite so far. I'm still, waiting on the carry-all MM because I know that is going to be absolutely gorgeous. But this on-the-go tote, this is so pure. This is so beautiful to me. This is beautiful to me. Okay, so this is the MM size. I love the bag tag on this. Not on the high-rise bum bag, but the bag tag on the on-the-go tote is needed. And I am glad that it's there. Everything about this, in my eyes, is perfect. The strap with the gold studs, everything is perfect when it comes to this handbag. I have no complaints. The only complaint that I have is the $3,800 price. But then again, guys, I was going through my account on the LV website, and I spent a lot of money on handbags. And most of my on-the-go totes was hitting at $3,000 mark. I showed you guys the on-the-go tote MM. Guys, it was the same price. It was actually more. So I'm just trying to give myself a reason to purchase this, okay? But then again, like I said, it's perfect. I see nothing wrong. They nailed the inside, the 2 zipper compartments. LV, you did your big one. You did an amazing job on this. I love this. No complaints. So guys, there's finally no complaint from me as far as the handbags so far from the denim collection. No complaints on this item. The other items I'm complaining about. I am trying to figure out this On The Go Tote MM. Why is it almost the same price as the Cruisant? The Cruisant, I believe it was $3,450, $3,450. This is $3,800, and look how large the MM is to the Cruisant handbag. Maybe it's because that little mini handbag that comes with the Cruisant, that's why it went up. Okay, that's the only thing I can think of. But this is so gorgeous. The On The Go Tote MM is perfect. LV, you did something right. I love it. Let me know how you feel from the inside to the strap to the placement of the gold hardware. I would have loved to see treated vachetta, but of course, guys, we are not getting that. I can see now. But then once that patina sets in, this is going to be perfection. I absolutely love the On The Go Tote MM. No complaints at all. Product code number is M46871. Again, $3,800. This is going to be over $4,000, guys, for this handbag. Launch date is January the 1st. Let me know if you have your eyes on this handbag. Once again, I am going to just continue to give you more pictures, guys, and speak on this denim collection. This is honestly, I would say, one of my best collections that LV has released in a while. I'm just a denim lover, period. And it can be any luxury brand. I just love denim handbags. I've always loved denim handbags. So let me know what you have your eyes on. Again, more SLGs, guys. We have more SLGs that need to come through. We also have a carry-all MM that needs to come through, guys. This is going to be such a hot collection. So please be ready. December 1st, these pre-orders are going to open up. Again, please keep in mind that key pouch is going to come and is going to go. You will not have an opportunity to place an order on the website. I'm telling you guys now. So I was speaking with my CA. I was like, why did LV drop the ball on not creating a mini pochette? They created the key pouch. So guys, that is confirmed. A lot of people ask me, are they coming out with a mini pochette? No, we are not getting a mini pochette from this denim collection. But guys, just think about it. What if we had a mini pochette? I think they already knew what we would do. I would be the first person to convert that into a crossbody. They already knew not to do that, guys. Or give us a toiletry 26. This is just me just thinking, guys. But if we are coming and speaking on SLGs, we are getting zippy wallets. We are getting so many other SLGs. But just think, what if they would have just honestly released a mini pochette for us from this denim collection? Would you purchase the mini pochette? Just say the mini pochette was between $800 and $1,000. The mini pochette in denim, $800 to $1,000. Or would you just simply go for the key pouch, which is $500? So yes, I put a little debate in here. Let me know, if LV would have released a mini pochette, would you pay $800+ for that mini pochette? Or would you just say simply with the key pouch that is $500 and I believe $10? Okay, a little debate. I want to throw that in there. So let me know, how do you feel about the 3 small handbags that I showed you so far? The Fairfax, the heels, and also that Nano Speedy. Do you agree with that front pocket being on that Nano Speedy? And if you find it cute, I'm not here to judge. I'm only speaking from how I feel and, you know, how I love for my handbags to look. And to me, that's just not a look. I am just thankful they did not put a front pocket on the On The Go Tote MM. I'm telling you now, I am so happy they did not put a front pocket on the On The Go Tote MM. So guys, let me know what you think. what you have your eye on so far. A lot of you guys DM me and said that you are still into the high-rise bum bag, and I am happy for you. I cannot wait to see you unbox it. But as of right now, the sunset handbag I have my eyes on, and the on-the-go tote MM. So again, let's share. Leave your comments below, besties. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, bye bye.